So this might be the last time we see my smart car or my trailer because we've hooked it up and we're gonna see. But you have to see this really janky job we did. Right now, you can see my little Smarty, Sunny, and there's Sarah back there, my RV. And then I'm gonna show you my trailer. I'm gonna show you my setup here in a second, but this is the first time that we have attempted to actually like take this smart car and everything out with us because I got this trailer and then I didn't find out that you actually had to put this thing together. So I'm gonna show you this, but hold on, let me explain this to you. Okay, so I got this smart car and then I have my little RV. Then go back here, there's the girls, boys and girls. I have my trailer. So we're gonna, it's a stand-up trailer, so we're gonna try to attempt to put this trailer onto the RV, and then we're gonna put this smart car on the trailer. So I'm gonna show you in a second if this actually works. You can see me over here. I'm gonna show you in a second if this actually works or not. So let's see what happens when we do this. Okay, and hopefully my car doesn't fall off. So this might be the last time we see my smart car or my trailer because we've hooked it up and we're gonna see. But you have to see this really janky job we did. So this is the strap job because I guess I bought the wrong strap downs. I have a feeling that this is not good. And then when we stood on this trailer, I wish I could have shown you, this thing fell off. Oh my god, it was so sketchy. So the other thing, we don't have any brake lights. So we're just using our flashers. And this is what we're working with here. So this is the smart car in the RV. Let's see what happens. I wish y'all could see how janky this wheel is right now. Like, seriously. We had to take the smart car off because of how janky this wheel is. No, I don't want the lights on in here because I don't want anybody to see us. We're parked here. I don't even know if you can see. Like, you can probably see. I don't know if you can see that. Like, I don't even want to get out of the car because it's like so sketchy in this place that we're at. In Atlanta, and I don't know if you know, like, you probably don't know what this is, but it's just bad. It's like really bad. Even the lady on the phone, when I told her where we were at, she's like, oh shit, I used to live in Atlanta. That's like a bad place. Like, yeah, I know. So this stupid trailer that this guy sold me, he didn't put it together, and then now I'm sitting here trying to figure out how to put it together. So now I've called AAA. I'm gonna have them come out and tow the trailer. Hopefully they're going to tow the trailer because right now they think they're towing a car because I don't even know if they tow trailers. But we're going to have to get the trailer onto a flatbed and have it taken to my mom's house is where we're going to take it, because apparently people in Atlanta charge a lot of money to fix stuff. I don't even know how to put this trailer together. I don't even know that you can buy trailers not put together. I didn't know that that's like even a thing. I'm so upset right now. Like, I'm so pissed that we're in this sketchy place and like the police have driven by. This is not IKEA. And the other thing is, like, this guy, he's like nowhere on social media, so like I can't blast him or like do anything bad. Only thing I can do is like maybe try to sue him. But like, no offense, but he's on his last rocker. He might die soon. So like, I don't even know if suing, like, I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just like, I'm so pissed right now. I'm so pissed and my hands are dirty. I'm dirty. I just took a shower. I was super clean. And now we're gonna have to, I don't even know. Tonight will probably be like boondocking in my mom's driveway. It's probably what's gonna happen. This stupid trailer. How far is he?
He said 20 minutes away.
20 minutes. So we're still waiting 20 minutes. But as we're still sitting in the same location, it's so sketchy here. I don't really want to show you because it's hard to explain. Can you see that back there? That's the packaging store. I don't know if you can see my trailer over there or not. I'm trying to get too far out there. But let me show you what's in front of me. And you probably can't see this because it's like dark now. But let's just see if we can get a close up. It's not gonna show it. It's not gonna show it. That's like the Love Shack. And I can only assume that's probably some kind of adult store. I don't know. But 20 minutes till the tow truck driver comes. And I keep looking like all around because this place is, I don't know. You haven't seen the whole place. We're only on the side of it. We're on the side of the building. Right here. Trying to stay safe. Because the rest of it out there, it's just not good. It's 20 minutes, we might be on our way to safety. And hopefully the trailer will be put on to the flatbed, and we'll have the smart car, and we have the RV, and I don't know. We're gonna see how the rest of this goes, so. What happens? Trailer. Smart car. Not on trailer. Smart car. The smart car is not on the trailer because it came off. There goes my little trailer. Bye-bye, trailer. Bye-bye, trailer. There's Sunny, still sitting. At least she's still alive. This is my trailer that you can see. And it's at Grandma's house because we had to have it towed here. So last night we went through that whole fiasco about trying to drive a smart car and the RV and the trailer, and it got really messed up. So now we have the trailer here, and I'm gonna see if I can show you kind of like what happened. I couldn't show you this because it was just crazy the other day, but when they towed the trailer, they tightened up the little, what do you call them? Little lug nut things down here. So when they tightened the trailer, they were supposed to put these little lug nuts in, and they weren't tight. Or whenever I bought the trailer, this whole thing was a mess. But you can see like this one's broken. Like it's completely gone. There's not even anything to put it on with. And then like this target's on there now, but it was not on there before. It was really janky. So this is the trailer, and it's just sitting here because we don't have anywhere. Well, we're gonna have to call somebody. We're gonna have to call somebody to put the trailer together and figure this out for us because I'm not really sure what happened, but I'm gonna update you on the trailer. This has just been a mess, a big mess. So that's my trailer story. That's my trailer story, but make sure that you check the description below this video because I have been sharing all of the mistakes that I've made and other RVers make, and you don't want to make the same mistakes that I did, otherwise you might lose your car, or you want to make sure that you're doing it right. I'm Blogging Brandy. This is RVersity, a university for RVers, and if you want to learn more about towing and other fun stuff, make sure you follow me, subscribe for good vibes, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.